showing what will hopefully be the smooth or a smooth workflow for joining two pieces. All right, so I've got this bearing flat that I want to join to this chassis rail here. Currently they are not joined together, so I'm going to look at the bottom, and I'm going to pull it away a little bit, okay? And then I'm going to use this angle part of my view cube. I need to make my view cube larger, so I can kind of see this a little differently. Let's hit J for join, capture position so it doesn't move back to how it was. Yeah, that's still not exactly the way I want to be looking at it right now. So let me adjust it a little bit. So I'm holding the shift key and the mouse wheel. All right, that's a little better. I want to get this face joined to, all right, moving my head, I know. That's not doing anything for you, Reed. All right, to this face. Okay, and we're gonna just check that it's exactly where we want it in all three dimensions. So I just click the bottom to get a square on view. If we look, ooh, it's actually not quite where we want it. So just back it up a little bit. You can drag it down. And since this is square on, if it looks like it's completely connected, that's all we need. We're good. So we're good there. But before we click OK, let's check the other dimensions remaining, side to side and up and down, if you want to think of it like that. Okay, ooh, I hit the view cube. It kind of, threw me off a little bit. But yeah, if that happens, just try backing up with your mouse wheel a little bit. Worst case scenario, click the home key so you get back to your home. All right, and I can see this is a little too high, so I'm going to bring it down just until it looks like it's pretty much centered. And then side to side, I do not want to see the square line kind of through the circle. All right, looks pretty good. So then I'll just click OK. There I have it. Now this thing is joined to that piece there.